step-by-step guide on how you can do transitions in Higgsfield AI. Sign into your account. Then from the top, you want to select apps. Once you click on apps, we will use the search bar to search for transitions. And you want to open this up. Transitions create seamless transitions between any shots effortlessly. Now here you will need to provide a start and end frame. So the first one is going to be this, and the end frame is just going to be the second picture of the girl. Now you will need to choose the time for this transition, so we can do 5 seconds or 10 seconds, and it's going to take a different amount of credits from us. So we're going to do 5 seconds, and here you can click on the transition itself. So what type of transition do you actually want to use? So you have morph, you have air bending. You can see all of these different transitions which you can apply to your images. So I'm just going to do morph as an example, and now we will click on generate video. Now once you click on generate video, this is going to be in queue, and once it becomes your turn, it is going to generate it. So it should take about 5 minutes, and afterwards you will get your video with the transition effect from your 2 pictures. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.